I do not know why the entire gym culture in India is villainized. First, we have our parents who say that if you lift weights, you will be a dwarf in your life. And even though lifting weights has been scientifically proven to promote the release of growth hormones, which in turn increases our height, our parents still think that lifting weights in the gym will make us a dwarf. And maybe this is the reason why Americans are so fucking muscular and Indians are so fucking weak. I do not know from where this myth came around. And then we have doctors. Majority of doctors in India think that protein powder is a steroid. They do not know the difference between a nutraceutical and a supplement. And for all those doctors who think that protein powder is a bad thing, I mean, what is the point of studying for 5 years if you could not understand the difference between a nutraceutical and a fucking steroid? Protein is present in every single thing. The only difference is Indian diet is deficient in protein. We do not have enough protein sources. Hence, we are taking protein from external sources like protein powder. Drinking protein powder will not give me fucking kidney stones. Listening to your dumb shit advice will give me kidney stones. Okay? And seriously speaking, to get kidney stones, you will have to reduce your water consumption to around 500 ml every single day and increase your protein consumption by around 1000%. And then we have our social media influencers. Now, many people think that lifting weights, going to the gym is only for aesthetics. And for all those people, I have one question. What is wrong with looking good? Is looking good a bad thing? If a person is attractive, fit, and muscular, if girls love him, then is it a bad thing? Is looking good a bad thing? I do not understand that. Is being fit a very bad thing? Yes, I do get your point that if you compare gym with calisthenics or any form of training that involves fighting, functionality may be reduced in gym, but you do have to start from somewhere, right? I think gym is a very good starting point, especially for men. You connect with men who are focused in life, who are serious in life, who want to improve their physique, who are into self improvement. That is very good. You do get a sense of discipline when you hit the gym because then you have to lift heavy weights every single day. You have to progress with each passing week. You get to know a lot about self improvement. You also look good, and when you're looking good, you command respect in society even without saying a word. Being charismatic is a very underrated skill and a skill that not many people have. If you want to be charismatic, the first impression that you make has to be fucking good. And the easiest way to have a fucking good first impression is by having a good physical presence. And the only way to have a good physical presence is by being fit. Now, people could be saying that functionality in gym is reduced. Let me tell you one thing. Majority of old patients in India, 60 plus, they have joint pain. Why the fuck do they have joint pain? Our diet is already deficient in protein, which means we do not have enough protein in our food. Hence, the loss of muscle mass is accelerated in India. That is why majority of people 60 plus in India have muscle pain, they have bone pain, they have plethora of pains, they have back pain, and the quality of life is rapidly reduced after 60. People who end up lifting weights preserve much more muscle mass, which ensures that they do not have back pain, muscle pain, joint pain, and their quality of life deteriorates at a very slow rate. This is why the quality of life in Europe and America is much higher in India. In terms of finances, yes, we can compete with them, but in terms of quality of living, we can never compete with them because we are fucking stupid from here. We do not know the advantages of lifting weights. We do not know the importance of muscles. Muscles will make sure that you retain mobility for the next 10, 15 years in your life. And this is why you should do the gym. If you have osteoporosis, it's because you did not lift weights in your life. Okay, if you're having joint pain, it's because you never did legs in the gym. So that is one thing that you have to do. There are so many advantages of lifting weights. You become more attractive, you look good, you preserve a lot of muscle mass, which makes sure you do not get any back pain, joint pain, all these things in your life, and your quality of life is also increased. But no, entire gym culture in India is fucking villainized because we have fucking stupid people living in India. So please get all these myths out of your brain. Gym is a good thing. Please go to the gym. It will improve your life and make you a very happy person. That's all in this video. If you like the video, then please share, like, and subscribe. If you do have any feedbacks, then please let me know in the comments. Till then, have a very nice day, all my friends, and see you in the next video.